Welcome back, everyone. You're watching SNN Good Morning on your Friday, and yes, we expect some changing weather by the afternoon hours. We're going to see a frontal boundary push through sometime in the mid to late afternoon hours and should give us some scattered showers and possibly a thunderstorm or two. Let's take a look at that in our Futurecast model. You can see that around 3, 4, we see the rain, and then 5-ish, we see the heavier activity. Depending on how high our temperatures get today, that will fuel some thunderstorm activity. Right now, I think we're going to hit about 75 degrees, so much warmer than we should be this time of year. 75 for Sarasota, Venice, and Inglewood, 78 in Northport this afternoon, 77 Lakewood Ranch, Port Charlotte, and Punta Gorda. Now, the earlier that front comes through, if it comes through earlier, if it speeds up, we won't hit these numbers. But if it comes through later, the numbers could go up a degree or two, and I'm going to keep my eye on that for you. But again, it depends on what time that frontal boundary actually comes through. Highs today across the state, very warm in West Palm, Miami, Key West, Fort Myers, all in the 80s today. 81 for Vero Beach, that's our hot spot. Orlando's going to come in at 78 this afternoon, and we're looking at 75 up the road in Tampa as well. Now, boaters, not a good idea to be on the water today. Lots of shower and thunderstorm activity on the Gulf. A small craft advisory now in effect, at least through Sunday morning at this point. Winds out of the southeast at 20 knots this morning. By afternoon, becoming southwesterly. Now, seas are building to 5 to 7 feet this morning, and it's already rough. So keep in mind that if you are even thinking about getting in the boat today. And if you're thinking about heading to the beach this morning before the rain, rip current risk is high today. Now, this is that massive system that's really dictating the weather basically through half the United States today. It is giving the south lots of rain this morning. Atlanta area especially getting a lot of rain. This is moving through to the Carolina area, so it's pushing east. Carolinas are going to see a lot of rain later today, this morning, and it's also going to bring us rain by this afternoon. Now, it's spreading up through the mid-Atlantic, so areas like the Virginias and Baltimore and Washington are going to see a lot of snow out of this later today on into tomorrow. It's going to create a lot of travel delays. And it's also bringing snow to places like Missouri and up even to Wisconsin. So lots and lots to talk about with this mid-Atlantic storm system, the system here that's really just getting going. So we're going to keep our eye on this for you this morning, and all today we'll probably be talking about that. Now, as for the west today, 2 systems pushing in here as well, bringing rain and mountain snow. Let's take a look at the numbers across the nation. 31 for Minneapolis, 31 in Boston today, 42 in Denver, 67 in Phoenix, and 71 in Brownsville, Texas. Again, we expect to hit about 75 before the showers and thunderstorms roll through. So we'll have a cloudy mix until then, and we're windy. Winds 17 to 25 miles per hour on general, and then 36 mile per hour wind gusts. And that, you'll feel that the closer that frontal boundary gets to us. Mostly cloudy tonight. Sunset will be 6:14. We're still windy. Could still feel gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Our overnight low, not too bad though, 61 degrees. It's tomorrow we'll start to feel those cooler temperatures. 66 degrees is as high as we're going to get on your Saturday. It'll be clearing, so the latter part of the day looks to be nice. Sunday really looks nice. Mostly sunny skies, and we're back into the 70s beyond that, but look for rain once again on Wednesday. That's a look at your forecast. Thanks for logging on to Herald-Tribune.com.